Hello guys, this is HiTech Talk. So in this video I will tell you how to get ethnicity filter on Instagram. So for this basically you need to search for a particular user. As you can see, the username is here on the top. So after opening this account you need to click on this emoji icon. So basically you can save this filter to your Instagram filter list. So after adding this, you don't have to visit the profile again and again. You can use it whenever you want. So for that you need to click on this one, and you can click on this download icon. So this effect will be saved to your camera roll, and you can use it without visiting this profile. So to use this, what you need to do, as you can see this, what he got Russian 50%. So in this way you can get it. And so you need to click on here, click on middle, it will get started, and you can see my result. So in this way you can use this filter. So thanks for watching this video, and if you find this video useful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.